Did you know that one of Germany's most prolific serial killers lived as the perfect neighbor for over 20 years? Joachim Kroll seemed like any ordinary man in his Duisburg apartment building. He loved gardening, always said hello with a smile, and helped his neighbors whenever they needed it. But behind his friendly face was a monster who had been murdering and eating people since 1955. For 2 decades, Kroll killed 14 victims, mostly women and children. He would strangle them, then take their bodies home to his apartment. What he did next was truly horrifying. He stored human flesh in his freezer like groceries, eating it slowly over weeks to save money on food. His reign of terror ended in 1976 when police caught him strangling a 4-year-old girl. When they searched his home, they found human hand soup bubbling on his stove and bags of flesh packed in his freezer. When asked why he did it, Kroll simply said eating people was cheaper than buying meat. He showed no guilt whatsoever.